What's up everyone? My name's Connor and welcome to Adventure Labs. As you might have seen in our video we posted yesterday, we entered the Endless Adventure contest hosted by Tepui. We ended up winning that contest, so in just a few days we're going to go on a 2-week road trip to ride bikes up in Whistler, Canada. For those of you who have been to this channel before and seen our other videos, you've seen that we've gotten the opportunity to go to some pretty cool places. I'm sure it looks like we're having the time of our lives in those videos, because we really are, but what we haven't really shown you guys much of is the hard work that goes into making this kind of stuff happen. And this Whistler trip is really no different at all. In fact, it's actually been a ton of work. So for example, today is Thursday. On Monday, I was assigned 7 different videos that I had to edit for clients before leaving for this trip. Well, actually, I guess you guys are gonna be watching this tomorrow, so it's yesterday for you, but for me, it's Thursday. So this week, I've been working on editing and delivering 7 different videos for clients that aren't affiliated with this trip at all. That is on top of booking all the Airbnbs, all of the camping reservations, planning the route, back and forth with the brands that are sponsoring us for this actual trip, working with Kevin and Gabe just on all the different logistics. So I have the rest of today to edit all my videos, then tomorrow I'm gonna pack all day, Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday I'll be up in Lassen for a wedding, and then Monday we're leaving for the trip. That's just the beginning of my problems. Kevin's got a lot more to deal with. He is totally putting the truck together. He's getting all sorts of accessories, so I'm gonna hand it off to him to tell you about that.
What's up guys? Just want to give you a super quick update. Things are super hectic, but there's a lot of exciting things happening. I left Mount Shasta this morning, got to Chico and finished up a quick video project. From there, I'm going over to Bidwell Trek Accessories to meet up with Dave. He hooked us up with a deck system just in time for a trip. From there, I'm gonna head over to Folsom, drop my truck off with Chris and Glenn over at Altitude Rack Systems. They're hooking us up with a brand new prototype rack. They're gonna install it, they're gonna put on the Tepui tent, and they're also gonna install the entire deck system. While they're working on that, I'm gonna get a rental car, head up to Lassen for a friend's wedding, and then from there I'm gonna head back down to Folsom. Hopefully by then the truck's ready to go. We're gonna pick it up, go up to Mount Shasta, and take off for a trip. But I know Gabe has a couple issues going on with his bike right now, so let's check in with him real quick.
Thanks Kevin for passing that along. So just to give you guys an update on what I've been up to, unfortunately I've hit a road bump in the last couple days. I was riding my bike a few days ago and I blew up my back wheel, so I had to figure out a new wheel in just this short time span and get it delivered to my house in time to leave for the trip. So I ordered it through a company and they were shipping it to me, and I just confirmed today actually, and the wheel is not on its way to my house, which it should be. A little bit stressful, but it's all coming together, and just really hope that I can get my bike built in time, because it is a main staple of this trip. And back to you, Connor.
So, as you can see, these trips are not as easy as they seem. You see all these people in these epic spots and filming this cool stuff on Instagram and YouTube, but not many people really talk about the work that goes into it. And I think that's just as important, because our goal is to inspire you guys to be able to go out and do what we do. So our goal for this trip is not only to share our experiences and all the highs with you, but also the lows. We really want to show you guys what you have to do, what the work that goes into this kind of stuff to be able to make it happen. So I gotta get back to work, but stay tuned, because you know, in a few days we're leaving for our trip and we're gonna start posting like crazy. So see you in the next one.